think I should be a makeup artist.
I think you should too. You go to clown university?
A clown makeup artist.
I mean, it's a look for a clown. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the challenge. My little sister does my makeup. This is my little sister, Samela.
And this is my big sister, Promise.
And I think you know me. So you're 9, right?
Almost 10 on August 19th.
I don't even know what this is right there. But she's 9. And I'm gonna see, like, she's gonna try to do my makeup. I'm not gonna tell her anything like which product is for and anything like that. I'm just gonna let her do her and see if she actually knows how to do makeup.
So basically, if you tell me, that's gonna be cheating.
Yes.
Okay.
So I tell you it's gonna be cheating. Okay. So I'm not gonna tell you. We just have this whole thing and you figure out what's what.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit because I'm not the type of person who put too much.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, Jesus.
That's a lot.
I know.
You stop. Never mind. Okay.
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah.
Oopsies. Okay. Well, at least I got the foundation right. Foundation.
Okay, what do you think is next?
So I'm gonna put this.
Okay, this is what do you think is next? I'm just gonna tell you this is
Mascara?
yes.
I'm gonna do mascara.
I'm just gonna tell you.
I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Is this eyeshadow?
Yeah, that's eyeshadow.
How do you open?
Ooh. Okay, do your mascara. That's what you want to do first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Got it.
You done? Okay, then you want to do the mascara, right? I mean the eyeshadow. Go and get the eyeshadow and the brush, whatever you think, whichever brush you need.
Guys, which color do you think? I think I'm gonna go with the peach one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the peach one.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks good.
Okay.
Is it good? Oh yeah, yeah.
I can't say anything.
Till the end of the video, I'm guessing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So far.
It doesn't look that bad. So far, so good.
Yeah.
What else do you want to
Okay.
put on?
I want to do lipstick.
Okay.
Wait, I actually want to do lipstick at the end.
Okay, what else do you want to do? I think that's eyeshadow too.
Yep.
Um,
Do you have like
that's
lipstick?
what are you looking
Like
for?
makeup? Like this one I'm looking for.
Yeah, I have two of them. This is the two. And yeah,
What is this?
that's the same. This one is just darker.
Okay, so
I don't know. You can use whatever one you want to use.
So am I supposed to put my hand on your face?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Actually, I'm gonna use this one. Okay. Right here, I guess. God, I don't know. Okay.
What is that supposed to do?
I don't know.
I'm just asking. You don't know?
Nope.
And you just put it in my face? Okay, cool.
Okay. What's this?
Concealer. Okay, concealer is, I guess, is when you put it under your eye.
Oh, sorry. It doesn't look good at all. Then I
See how bro.
okay, I think I'm gonna do lipstick.
That's all makeup.
I don't know how to do makeup.
That's the concealer?
I think I would actually be good with makeup.
What is this?
I mean, doing
Another
makeup.
concealer.
Can use. I think they use concealer for this. Like they put it around, then they tap it with the brush.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Then they beat the face with the.
No, Anna, you check. Okay, I
Don't
think
they beat the face, right? That's cushion.
Not, they don't actually mean beat my face. Oh.
okay. You look so light.
I wonder why.
Don't look at me.
Okay.
I think I did a bad job, but I want to wait till you see at the end. Rate my makeup.
I think she can see now.
What is this?
That setting spray.
What is this?
Another concealer.
Never mind.
That's another setting spray.
This?
That's highlighter, kind of. Yeah, you can put them somewhere. You can use your finger. It's gonna make it. You can use your finger. Put it where you think you should go.
Oh. I think that's where. Wait.
Okay.
I think that's where it should go. It's like you're going to Coachella.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. I think I'm all finished.
You think you're finished?
Yep.
Just spray me in my eye, but okay.
Sorry.
You're too close.
Sorry.
You finished?
Is that it?
I mean, I should be asking you, is that it?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I think lipstick now. Oh, I should put. Are we allowed to mix lipstick with it? How do you work this thing?
It's alright.
Rub it. You look like you just got beat up.
You can put it. That's all you're gonna put?
Yep. What? I'm not finished yet.
I don't even have that much stuff. That's another lipstick. That was another lipstick too.
Great. Rub it. Okay. And then I think that. I think this is blush.
Yeah, sure.
Is it?
I mean, it can be.
Okay. Where's the brushes?
Use this as blush. I don't have a big brush. I lost the brush. I always losing stuff.
Okay. I like it. It's cute. Wait, I'm not finished yet.
Girl, you look like a damn clown.
A literal clown.
Got the cheese and everything.
Okay.
Honestly, it was starting out okay. I'm not even gonna. You started out good, but I don't know how you ended. But hey,
I think I should feel it.
for a clown.
I think you should put some down here. That's what I see people do. It looks cute. And I want it up here.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Some on your eyes a little bit. Sparkle.
Are you done?
Yep. I fall down last time. I'm gonna spray it really far. Finished.
No.
Yep.
So guys, this is the final look. And I guess where am I going? To a circus?
You're going to
Coachella?
You're going to. You have to blank this name out
Who?
if you can.
Who?
Joshua. I want to see your hair with the makeup.
Let's see the hair with the makeup.
Clown activities. You actually look like a clown.
So guys, this is the makeup that she did. And
Like and subscribe.
I like it.
Follow me on Dub Smash and follow her on Instagram. Okay, see.
we'll put the description in the description
Down
box.
below.
Everything in the description box. So this is the look. You guys rated 1 to 10. What do you think?
Don't be a hater.
Okay,
Just
well,
don't get
she
it.
asked us to rate it, and I give it a -2. I give it
Ooh.
Tell me what you give it.
a -3. A negative.
You guys are so much haters.
Well, you like the look, so because you look like that in real life.
Hey guys, that'll be all for this video. I'll see you guys